Hey guys, this is a fly with me to Thailand video. We left on the 20th of January. That's our backpacks, our one singular backpacks. We tried to carry only 7 kilos of stuff so we could do flights within Thailand. That's why we were bringing one backpack. And also just because it's so much easier to carry around. You won't get tired as easily. Of course, we got to the airport and checked in and weighed our bags, all that jazz. Everything's on a little iPad thing, so it's very easy. We managed to get into the Qantas lounge, which was fun. Ignore what you just saw there. We got tea, free toasties, lemonade, whatever, and then we were flying with Jetstar, so we stole some bread rolls and butter and lemonade from the Qantas lounge because Jetstar make you pay for snacks. This is us on the plane. It was a 9-hour flight, which is so fine compared to other places. Literally slept the whole ride. That's it. It's pretty boring because, Then we arrived in Bangkok, and that is us getting an Uber to our accommodation, which is this super cute little room with a bunk bed. Then, because we were so excited to be in Thailand, we quickly went out for a bit, and yes, we got stuck in the elevator the first time we used it. First night, we get stuck in the elevator. Anyway, we got out. It eventually just let us out. I bought a $1 Hello Kitty water bottle. And then we, of course, got some pad thai, and I had a soju. And then we had a walk around Khao San Road and got a roti, which was very yum. And, of course, it's fun to watch them make it in front of you. It's very cool. Then we went into 7-Eleven, which is insane. Like, never seen a 7-Eleven so amazing in my life. And then we walked back to our accommodation, which is through this kind of creepy little alleyway thing, but it's so convenient. Anyway, that was our kind of first night in Bangkok, Thailand. I will see you for my first day.